Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari, a classical homeopath, as you all know. And the point of topic of conversation today is the most deadly and most unfavorable observation of Kent lecture, Kent 12 observation, which no physician want to happen in their practice. I'm talking about the first of observation of Kent, in which it's mentioned there is a decline. There is basically a decline of the patient. Decline, you can very well understand what is decline is all about. It's all about losing the patient, loss of the vitality. It can be because of the suppression, it can be because of the organic diseases, it can be because of the progress and stage diseases of a patient condition. And in COVID-19, this observation is mainly found in cases where there is a lot of drugging, the patient appearing on 14th or 15th day of allopathic drugging and declining. I have patient, I encountered 2 or 3 patients of very young age, 24, 25, 32 years. They declined just because of the drugging, even though their health status was absolutely fine. But they declined. One of the patient declined because of the cardiac arrest, secondary to the steroidal use, high diabetes, RBS. In COVID, because of the pneumonia, the allopaths prescribe steroids. The steroids lead to high rise in sugar. The RBS increases. And for to counter that RBS, they employ insulin. Again, the insulin have side effect on kidney. Everybody is aware. But the allopathic protocol goes one on one, one on one, till either the patient dies or the patient become crippled. These patients mainly they die. If they survive, they develop with the mucormycosis. Again, the mucormycosis in everybody is aware what is the fate of mucormycosis, right? So I'm talking about the observation number 1 that says very shortly followed by a final decline of the vitality, loss of the patient. Prognosis is very poor. What to do? Just use lower potencies, 30, not more than 30. Very low potency should be employed, 30 potency should be employed, and it is definitely an unfavorable prognosis. So we can only pray and we can only try, but Kent definitely says always re-case taking is considered in these conditions. Kindly retake the case again and try to find out what can be done in the best, but the medicine should be selected on the totality as per observation, because the patient is already in the decline stage and stage diseases are there, and stage protocol means in cases of COVID, it means the patient would be on ventilator. You can very well understand from what ventilator is all about. A patient who reaches the ventilator is having 99% of chances of going to heaven. No other ways there. And mostly patients who died in COVID were those who were on ventilator or who were led to on ventilator because of the prolonged drugging, allopathic drugging, and other factors are there. But mostly patient died because of the ventilator and wrong drugging. COVID is not a fearful disease. It is just a viral. It is a viral flu virus. But the symptomatic and the non-symptomatic treatment of the drugging, the abuse of antibiotic, the abuse of steroid is the main cause of death in COVID-19 ICU cases. So today, this was my only effort. Try to focus on your work. Go with the philosophy. Kant observation you will find everywhere. It is not homeopathic or allopathic. It is just a straight of condition of a patient, its prognosis, and where the patient will go, and what a physician, especially a homeopath, can do. That will help you out. You will be able to know whether you should take this case or you should not take that case, or what expectation you should have from the patient. Because every time when we lose our patient, we lose our hope also. We get disappointed, we get low, we get negative. But always maintain a positive attitude, because we are here as a professional. We should be positive, we should be happy, we should be smiling in front of the patient. Even though the patient is dying, we know the patient will die within a 2 hour, but till he dies, you should be happy, you should be positive. Always make your patient happy. Always try to increase their morale, boost their morale, and always keep smiling. And as I always say, we cure, he treats. And let's hope for the best. Let's God give the grace to us, and be a proud homeopath. Follow the philosophy. And I just want to say, always follow the authentic work. Don't go here and there finding seminars, finding tutorials. Just read philosophy. Everything is there. Dr. Hahnemann, Dr. Kent, Dr. Herring, Dr. Allen, they did wonderful, fantastic job is there. Fantastic work is there. We have philosophy, we have lectures, we have organon. What else you want? Go through them, try to compare, try to find out the cases, try to implement these applications. Now, observation, we read the book with in college for 6 years, then we do MD, then we do PhD. 15 or 14 years of our life we waste in reading. Then what is the point if we are not able to get the results in COVID-19 ICCCU? Now, when the world is facing the pandemic, when there is no hope, allopaths cannot do because they don't have the system like that. They don't have the conservative system. They are basically surgical system. They are helpless, but they are performing. They are trying. But what about the homeopaths? They are scattered. They are not having focus. If you are using patents, if you are using modern technologies, if you are making the combinations, nobody is will be in a condition to find a good result if you will employ these types of shortcuts. Homeopathy is pure form of Hahnemann classical homeopathy is the only homeopathy that will give you the wonderful result, and it is a hope for all the COVID-19 ICU patient. By far, I never lost a patient who came under me by 10th day of the COVID-19. Beyond 10th to 15th day is the most crucial time. If a patient come at the 15th day or 14th day of its COVID-19 exposure, so I usually take, okay, let's try, but hopelessness is there. But we should never be hopeless. I always believe in fight till you have a breath, and do try till a patient is having a breath. So all the best. Do read these observations, do implement in the COVID-19 condition, and be ready to fight back COVID-19. Let's win over COVID-19 under homeopathic protocol by Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari. All the best. Everybody take care. Goodbye.